my peeps. So what we're gonna do is look into my other tools, which is my pouch, my tool pouch, my tool belt, my carry-on. Okay, there's this tool belt here. Take this one outside. Oh man, I have to undo all these things here. It's pretty dusty. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean it. It's pretty dusty. It's pretty bad. It's a bunch of cobwebs. I'm gonna lay out what I have here. Stubby. Oh man, I've been looking for this bad boy. This is where it's at. God damn. My Allen wrenches or my hex head. Yeah man, I've been looking for this bad boy. I gotta clean it and lube it up. What else do I have in this pouch? Oh, bolted. Excuse me, voltage detector, non-contact voltage detector. You need one of these, or the tick tracers. I think that's what they call them out in the field. Alright, so this one's empty. What else? It's just are dirty, but they don't have anything. Yeah, I don't think they have anything. No. Empty. Empty. Yeah, I gotta clean them too. Alright, so that's what was in this tool pouch. So over time, I mix and match my things. So I didn't put them back where they normally belong. So that's what you see too of certain things. It's just like, what the hell? Yeah. But I'm gonna clean this up too, go through everything, and do the before and after. Yeah, because a lot of these handles are pretty dirty, pretty beat up. And this one got beat up. This one's old. It's a beater. Alright, my peeps, I want to clean these bad boys up. Get rid of that rust too. It's not cool. Yeah, get rid of the rust. Most of my tools are ideal, second Klein, and third Greenlee. But there's other various manufacturers and companies. Alright, my peeps.